Okay, now we're going to do the Crazy Art Crazy Slime Creations Ultimate Unicorn. Alright,
Yay!
let's unbox it. And here it is. Okay, so let's look what's inside. This is the instructions. We have here the clear slime glue, slime activator, sticks, measuring cup, the colors, and the glitters. Alright, let's start. First, we need a bowl. So you can mix it. First instruction says measure 15 ml of clear glue. This is the one, and we'll use the measuring cup provided. Let's get it started. 15 ml. Where is it? There's 15 ml, so we'll measure. It's still sealed. Sorry. I'm just too excited. And there you go. 15 ml. We'll take the popsicle sticks. And we'll put it in the bowl. And for our second direction, it says measure 25 ml of water, room temperature. So 25 ml. There you go. Mix it together with the glue. Mix, mix, mix. And then we're gonna make the purple opal glitter slime. So add 1 spoonful of pink color in the bowl with glue and water. Then we'll put some glitters. Here are the glitters. It's just too hard to see because the bowl is pink.
Yeah, that's what one of us is about to say.
Let's just mix with blue. So let's get some purple slime. Now it's turning purple. Amazing! Oh, let's use mix. Here we have a pink. Oh no, it's purple glitter.
Yeah, so when you mix blue and pink, it
You can
gives
get
you
purple.
purple.
Mixing until it's fully blended. And then the next direction says measure 5 ml of slime activator and slowly pour it into the bowl. So here's our slime activator. Open. It's fully sealed.
It's hard to
Just
open.
stick it with the stick.
Yeah, poke it. Poke it, pokey.
Oh, there you go. So it is 5 ml. So where's 5 ml? And here is 5 ml. So just a tiny bit of so slowly you have to put it while mixing. Oh, look at that. Starts to get a little bit sticky. Look at that.
Yes.
Wow, there goes our slime.
Our purple slime.
That's so cute, so purple, and it's so sticky. We just have to continue mixing until the mixture gets thicker.
Yeah, just remember to not use your hand.
Yes, always use the stick.
In mixing.
And also remember to avoid contact with your eyes. So carefully. And kids, if you're gonna do this, please have your parents with you or anybody, any guardian. Let's just continue mixing. So after all the solution absorbs, we have to remove this and we have to knead with our hands.
Wow!
It'll stick
Very slimy! So continue kneading.
Just continue playing it with your hands until it
Alright.
gets less. So after kneading, here's how it looks like.
Yes.
Look at the purple
Slimy.
glittery slime. Still a bit
Purple
sticky.
slime.
So you have to knead until it gets less sticky.
Purple slime.
Right?
Purple slime.
You know, when you're stressed, you just have to play with the slime. It's fun. It's fun and
Maybe let's-
stressful.
Yeah. Okay, so we will move on to the next color.
Yep,
Color
blue. We're now going to
Blue.
make blue.
Okay, so we put aside the purple slime here. And then we will move over to make a blue slime. Yay! there's no tomorrow. What do you need?
Stars! So sticky.
The three colored slime. We have purple, we have pink, and we have blue. And there you have it. Our slime with a motorcycle rider. Yay!
Amazing.
It's the finished product of the slime. 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 Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Ka.
Thank you. Bye.